The Motor Mind presents an exclusive look at the legendary Ford Model T, a car that revolutionized the automotive industry and defined an era. Join us as we explore the incredible legacy of this iconic vehicle, which was produced from 1908 to 1927 and became the first mass-produced car to bring affordable transportation to the world. The Ford Model T is not just a car, it's a piece of history. With its innovative design, the Model T featured a lightweight yet durable body, a powerful four-cylinder engine, and a pioneering assembly line production process introduced by Henry Ford. These advancements made it possible to manufacture the car efficiently and sell it at an affordable price, putting millions of people behind the wheel for the very first time. In this video, we'll take you through the details that make the Model T a true engineering marvel. We'll start with a close-up of its engine, a simple yet robust 2.9-liter four-cylinder engine capable of producing 20 horsepower. This engine may sound modest by today's standards, but in its time, it was a game-changer. We'll also dive into the innovative planetary gear transmission, which made the car easy to drive, even for people with no previous driving experience. But the Model T wasn't just about performance. Its design prioritized functionality and adaptability, allowing the car to be used in various settings. From serving as a family car to being converted into a truck or even a tractor, the Model T's versatility made it a favorite among millions of Americans and people around the world. We'll also share fascinating anecdotes, including how the Model T earned nicknames like Tin Lizzie and became a cultural icon. With over 15 million units sold, the Model T remains a symbol of innovation, determination, and progress. If you're as fascinated by automotive history as we are, stick around to learn more about what made the Ford Model T an enduring legend. Thank you for watching The Motor Mind. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. And please subscribe to our channel for more exciting automotive content.